Bonjour.
Today we're teaching you how to make food with Play-Doh. A meal.
So this is how we make it.
You got the yellow.
So this is how we put the French fries in here.
To make a cup/box of French fries, which are absolutely delicious. They have to be round, crinkly, or square.
We can put
any shape really.
They're
all gonna be eaten.
We can put pepper and salt on it.
To extra salt. Shake, shake, shake.
Delicious.
Bravo! And you have some French fries.
Don't be confused. This is real French fries. Absolutely happiness, greasy, and delicious. Alexa, would you like to try one?
Delicioso.
Bottom bun.
Top bun.
Sesame seeds. You can use your fingers and do this. Bottom bun. That is the bottom of your burger. Top goes on top after you've stacked everything inside. That is how you create a lovely, delicious top and bun and burger.
So first we put
the meat.
And then the cheese. And then the pickles.
2 pickles. That's a mustache.
And the mustache.
Lettuce.
Mustache lettuce.
Some ketchup.
Some ketchup. And
the top bun.
The top bun.
Squish it all down, make sure it's all good. You got some ketchup coming out, get that extra juiciness in your burger. Bon appetit, you have a burger and it is ready to eat.
Here's a hamburger, my dear. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bon appetit.
There is some lettuce and tomatoes, some pickles, and some ketchup. You eat it? Delicioso. It's very juicy. So juicy. So delicious.
Yum!
Here is the soda.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
With
a bendy straw.
To easily slurp.
So you fill the cup.
So you fill the cup up with soda, make it bubbly, and it's a soda.
That you drink. Then
you can drink.
Oh, here's some nice, lovely Dr. Pepper. This just looks so good. Drink this. Ooh, that is really good. So Lex, who's here?
Brendan. Here he is.
Hey man, what's up?
Hey.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Great. What do you guys got for me today?
We got a hamburger.
And a super Dr. Pepper.
Can I try?
Of course.
Sure.
Be our guest.
Not bad.
Oh my god, he likes it.
It's so delicious.
Brilliant.
That is amazing.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Bye.